Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and today in our series that we continue on making sure your Facebook account is secure and that you have the possibility to actually get control back if for some reason you were hacked. Today we're going to show you how to actually add some of your friends as important contacts. If you ever get locked out of your account, they will help you actually get back in. And this is very nice because if you get locked out and you have no ways of actually doing it, at least these people can help you out. And it's a pretty good feature, and I think it's important that people set this up. So what you need to do is go into your Facebook page. Once you're there, you'll go on the upper right corner. There's a little down arrow. Here, you'll go into Settings. And once you're in the Settings, go into Security and Login. So this is a interesting feature at the top, which is recommended. Choose friends to contact if you get locked out. And they want you to nominate from 3 to 5 of your friends. So you choose people that you know are safe and that you can have secure login with them, that people you know well, and just add these people into your contacts. It's the best that you could do. So by doing this, you can actually choose friends. By clicking choose friends, it of course will give you this page, and you will now choose 3 to 5 trusted contacts to add so that you can actually enter the codes, because they'll have your some secret codes to access your account. You got to make sure that these people are trustworthy, because they can use that feature and get into your account instead of you and lose, of course, the account. So you use trustworthy friends and make sure that you can actually get back into your account. They will receive a secret code, and that secret code can be received or used to get back into your account. So this is a great way to come back if you ever get your account hacked. So this is one of the features that you should set up, actually. So this is a new account that I created just for the videos, and you can see here I've got no friends yet, but choosing friends that you can trust is a great idea if you ever get locked out of your account. Also, take note that on this page there's places where you've been logged in. So if you have, or you think maybe some suspicious activities happening, in this page, the security and login, you can see where you've been active. So right now it says Windows PC in Montreal, active now. This is what I'm using with the Opera browser, of course. So that's totally normal. If you see suspicious, weird devices you've never heard of before, or if it tells you you're been active in another country, maybe you should change your password. That would be the best thing to do. Change the password so that it prevents people from actually accessing your computer again. And of course, by having your chosen friends, well, if you get locked out, you'll be able to actually get back in. There are many reasons why you can get locked out. It's not just if you've been hacked somehow. It also can be other reasons, including Facebook doing a security check and wanting you to actually confirm who you are. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.